Hey guys, today we are going to do a Wegovy demonstration. Wegovy is semaglutide that is FDA branded for the treatment of obesity. In the last couple of months, it also got an FDA indication for the treatment of cardiovascular disease risk reduction in patients with a history of prior cardiac disease. So particularly people who've had heart attack, people who've had stroke. So Wegovy comes in single dose pens. There are 5 doses of the medication: 0.25, 0.5, 1.0, 1.7, and 2.4. Every month when you get a prescription of this medication, there are 4 of these pens included in a box, and they are single dose pens. So you will use one, you'll throw it away, and then the following week you will use another. The medication generally does need to stay refrigerated, although it can be out of the refrigerator for 28 days. Should stay at room temperature during that time. So this medication, every month you'll get 4 of these, and the injection is pretty simple. The nice thing about these self-injecting pens is that you never have to see, touch, or hold the needle. Obviously the needle will inject, but you're not like manually screwing it on or anything like that. So you'll be able to inject this, and then the needle injects and it self-retracts. You don't have to see that. It is still technically a sharp and should be disposed of in a sharps container. So to use this medication, you'll start with the appropriate dose that your physician has prescribed. You can inject it into the abdomen or into the thigh. Either one is fine. It's really patient preference. You'll clean that area off with an alcohol swab. A lot of patients really like to use their thigh just because you can sort of go straight down onto the thigh. Today, I'm going to inject this fake pen into my hand. I'm not injecting real medication, and do not inject it into your hand, just so you can see how the plunger moves down. You'll hear the clicks and everything like that. So the Wegovy pen is a little bit different than some of the others. You'll take off this outer cap, and then this is where the injector is. So there's actually not even a button on the Wegovy medication. You're just gonna press it down to deploy it. So you're gonna press down so this gray area is hidden, and that is going to deploy the medication. You're gonna hear it click, and the plunger is moving, and then once it's injected, you're going to hear a second click. One of the things that I've learned, and then you can go ahead and pull that off. Now the medication's been injected, you throw it in the trash can. One of the things I've learned about these demo pens is that those 2 clicks are pretty far apart. They're like 10 seconds apart. It's not going to be quite that long when you have the real medication being injected. So you'll hear the initial click when it goes in, the second click when it's done injecting, and then you'll count, and then you'll be done. So that's it, super easy. Throw this in the trash can, and then you'll do the next one next week. If you have questions about this, reach out for me for more. I would love to help share information. I am developing right now a GLP course. If you were interested in learning more, it's like Netflix for GLPs. Lots of information, how to inject, side effects, what to do if you're traveling, thinking about macronutrients, all of these different things, the questions that you have. If you don't have a great resource to get those answered, or you're like Googling at midnight and you can't reach out to your physician, this is going to be a great way to get access to that. If you're interested